Hello guys, this is a mini video. I will tell you about HTML5 and new tags which are introduced in HTML5 and why we need them. So first I want to show is a nav tag. So nav tag on its own doesn't do anything. It is similar to div tag. It is like a empty container like div tag. Div tag also empty container. Nav tag is also an empty container. So why do we need a nav tag if we have a div tag? So the answer to this is when we make a navigation bar. Nav tag is for navigation bar. When we make a navigation bar, we make it in nav tag. So why we need that? Because search engines like Google won't understand the navigation bar links if we make it in a div tag. So that's why we make it in a nav tag. So if you don't know what navigation bar is, it is one of my site I made. This is called navigation bar, this thing. So the links like blog, pages, portfolio, elements, contact, about, this thing is called navigation bar, and we make this navigation bar using nav tag instead of div tag. It doesn't do anything, but it gives hint to Google or other search engines that there is the navigation bar and it contains these links. So let's forget about that. There's a one more navigation bar. Tourism. Yeah. Okay. This is also a navigation bar. This is made inside our nav tag instead of div tag. It is they are basically same, but we use nav tag for navigation bar. Used for navigation bars. Okay, so the next tag I want to tell you is article tag. It is also similar to div tag. It don't do anything on its own. It's just a container. So as the name tells us, it is used to contain a element, an article. Sorry, it is used to contain an article. So for example, so like this, these are articles like discovering the space beyond this point, the city of dark nights. Okay, these are articles. So I can make the same article in div tag, but I will use article tag for this. Why? The same reason, because the websites like Google can identify where is the article is in my website. Okay, so it is same like nav tag or div tag. It is just an empty container. We use this for tell that this is a article tag is used for tell Google or other search engines that here is our article. So the next tag I want to talk about is footer tag. As you can understand, the footer tags tell us that here is the footer of our website. Why we use that? Same reason. It is also like a div, but it helps search engines to identify where footer is, where article is, where navigation bar is. So let me show you footer if you don't know. Let me think where I made footer. Like, oops. Okay. This is called navigation. This is called footer. So this is called footer. We make this footer using footer tag. Why? Same reason I told you before. Let me copy and paste. Okay, there is one more tag we call header tag. What is header? If you don't know, after the navigation bar, the first image where the title and subtitle everything is shown is called header. It is also a container. We use it specifically for search engines to tell where is our header located. So let me show you header. This is called header. We'll say this is also called header. Okay, so these were the tags which are introduced in HTML5. So okay, the more tags like I tag, span tag, I cannot show you them here, and there is also a table. We will use them in CSS when we go to CSS. Why? Because they have a specific use using CSS. So our journey is very long, and I wanted to make this video short. So okay, goodbye. Now I will make CSS tutorials tomorrow. Okay.